Hey guys, this is Dalamar here. I've made a lot of game videos in the past and kind of started fresh. Starting with a little story with an Excel sheet talking about all the games that I want to complete in the journey. I want to take and make videos and talk about the games and whatnot. Um, so I'm gonna go ahead and kick it off with a website I found that has really helped me get more organized and kind of show my story of what I've accomplished and what I enjoy and where my interests are. And it may not be agreeable with everybody, but I guess that's the purpose of opinions, right? If you don't have one, well, kind of useless. So anyway, GG is a site. What's really cool about it is you can scroll around and you can find all the different games throughout time, more or less. You can have your own collection. These are all games that you've completed. So and you can select things like you could beat it all, you've played it, or you're currently playing it, you want to play it, shelved or abandoned. I mean, it's so bad that you'll just never touch it in the future. And you can see how many games I've played in my lifetime. This isn't all of them, trust me. I think maybe I'm probably a little bit closer to 600 or higher, but you can see all the activities. You can write reviews, and you can just rate games by themselves. You can have people follow you, and you can follow other people. So there's a little bit of socialness to it, and you can create lists, which is actually what I'm going to base a few of my videos off of. And then I'm going to start going back into my overall reviews of games. But anyway, I wanted to show this site. It's made my life much easier because now I have this little shelf list of all the games that I own that I have yet to beat. That's just sitting there waiting for me to get to it. And let me tell you, I am excited to get all these games beat up and tell you guys about how wonderful or terrible they were. Thanks, guys. We'll be talking again soon.